Hello guys, welcome back to Coding with Shreya. Today I will show you how to make a game. If you have seen a game like customize your own fox, create your own dog, this is a game like that. First, then we will draw here a cat. I have used simple shapes for mine. We will group all the layers except for the face, and we will group and we will copy it and delete it for this layer and paint another sprite and paste it in the blank sprite. And then we'll make sure that both of the sprites go to x0, y0. So the both sprites go in the middle. We will start by naming our project Customize Your Own Cat. You can choose any other title too. The events category and choose when green flag click from the menu. We will go to the motion category and choose the block go to x0, y0. Then go to the coding area of the sprite with the cat, where is the cat's face. Go to the events category and choose when green flag click from the menu. We will go to the controls category and choose the block go to x0, y0 and put it in the forever loop. So that if the player moves the sprite by mistake, it will go back to x0, y0. And then I will do the same for sprite 1. Go to controls and choose if then and go to operators and go to operators and choose and. Remove that when this sprite click and go to sensing, take out touching mouse pointer and mouse down. We go to looks and choose go to back layer. Go to operators and choose pick random 1 to 10 and I will change that to pick random 1 to 6. So when it receives BC, then we will also add 6 more costumes and characters for the cat body sprite. So here we are done coloring. And over here now we have a cute brown cat. And then I'll choose like when I receive BC and from look switch better to hearts. Now I'm going to go to events again and choose when green flag click and put the when switch better to hearts under the when green flag click and go to looks and choose change color by effect by 25 and put it under the BC and then set go to X 134 and Y negative 131 and hide a block from looks and forever loop, then back to motions and then choose an if then block from controls. Go to settings and choose and go to sensing and choose touching mouse pointers and mouse down and hide block from looks and add a show block for every sprite code. And bye, see you in our next video.